Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're probably wondering, what are you doing? Well, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair, and it needs it. I bleached it for the last time last night. I figured one more time, try and get the roots out and a little bit of the red. I got what I could out, but I don't want to bleach it again because it's already starting to feel really dry and really dead. So I'm just gonna get right to dyeing it. I got two different shades to kind of like do like a shadow root to kind of like hide the red. This is my first time doing like a shadow root, so I'm not really sure how it's gonna turn out. Also, I don't know how well I'm gonna be in frame. My bathroom is kind of like awkwardly put together, I guess, for something like this, so I'm not really sure how well I'll be in frame or how well you'll be able to see. So I got, I don't know, I've used L'Oreal obviously, but this is like a new brand that I've never tried before. I straightened my hair a little bit just to make it a little bit easier and put Vaseline on my forehead and my ears so I don't get blue absolutely everywhere. And I'm also not going to be talking in this video because I can't do both. I just can't. This isn't really a tutorial. This is just pretty much what I'm doing to my hair, and it's an experiment. And I think this is going to be like the last color that I do for a while. I'm thinking about going back to like a normal-ish hair color that isn't bright red or, you know, blue. My hair just needs some time to chill and, you know, get healthy again. I think that's all I got to say for this intro, and I'm just going to get right into it. I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair for like 20-25 minutes. Then I'm gonna go wash it out. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it's wet and then when it's dry and styled. Brianna styled. Let me tell you guys, it has been a process to get to here. I love it. I absolutely love it. There are some parts that I kind of screwed up on and didn't put enough of the like shadow root color. So there are some spots that look a little purple and some spots that I completely missed altogether. But I kind of expected that, seeing how I didn't have like any help and it was just me doing it. I definitely should have got 2 boxes of the darker blue, just so like, because I started like running out, and that's why I didn't get enough product like in here and mostly in the back. And I definitely should have brought a second mirror so I could actually like see what I was doing in the back. I kept telling myself to grab a second mirror when I was going to do this, and when the time came, it just didn't happen. I also should have left it a little bit longer because, you know, I did this side first and then this side so you guys could actually like see what I was doing a little bit. This side had long enough to like set, and this side definitely didn't. I also think that's why it's not as dark as this side. I definitely know that's why, especially because it's like mostly in like the top section on this side. So yeah, I definitely should have left it in a little bit longer, but it's fine. It's fine. When I wear my hair like this, you can't really tell anyway, and I wear my hair like this a lot. But yeah, I think that's all that I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye guys. I